Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview 12-foot by 30-inch metal frame swimming pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in steel above-ground pool. It's the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. The 12-foot by 30-inch pool frame is applied with a rust and corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. A 3-ply PVC support band surrounds the pool for additional stability wall. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. Filter pump is not included. A flow-controlled drain valve provides a simple solution for emptying the excess water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.